I was standing in a bus station and there were two teenage boys, and one was saying that I have already told her to come, maybe the girlfriend, something. So I was looking at the response. One girl was coming from far ahead and the boy was pointing the fingers on it. So he was looking like this. Then after that, after some time, the girl was walking to him. So girl slightly came ahead. But when I came to recognize that the girl was slightly fat, and you can look at his response, it was very comical.